Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can share the link of your files from your Google Drive. Sharing the link of any of your files from Google Drive is just a simple and easy process. All you need to do is first, make sure you are logged in into Google Drive, then select the file that you want to share the link of. Here you can see that this is the file that I want to share. Now simply right click on it. After you right click it, you can see that all of these options appear. From here, if you hover your mouse over the share option, you can see other two options appear of share and copy link. If you simply click on the copy link option, you can see that the link has been copied, and now if you go on to any other websites, and you can see that now the link has been copied and you'll be able to paste the link wherever you want to share it with your friends or your family. And that is how you can copy a link and share a link from your Google Drive. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.